This video describes how to use editor in Moodle to record audio. I will scroll down on this page to where add a new discussion topic. I will click on it. A new page comes up. I will scroll down to your new discussion topic and I will add my subject. Then I move to the message area. This area contains the features for audio, recording, video, insert or edit of audio and video files. I will click on this icon, which allows further icons to be displayed. One should be aware that there are two icons for use of audio recording. One would be for short recording and the other for longer periods. However, this is a recording or a short recording, so I will use this icon. I will hide those. I will click on it. You will see a new menu appear. Record audio. Start recording. Once I hit start recording, I'm allowed 2 minutes to record my audio. Again, it's for short clips. Once I'm finished, I click on stop recording. Another menu comes up. Record audio. As you will see, this section allows a preview of what has been recorded to ensure that you are satisfied with the product. If you are not, you can record again. If you are, you can attach recording. Let's see. I'm allowed 2 minutes to record my audio. Again, it's for short clips. Once I'm finished, I click on stop recording. That seems good to me. I click on attach recording, 100%. Once that is complete, I will go to post to forum and my video would be installed for everyone to give constructive comments.